Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. Have you ever wondered which is the best text-to-speech software that does not sound like an AI and will get you monetized on YouTube easily? Well, in today's video, we are going to be doing a comparison between the two very best on the market, Descript and Voiceover Labs. These are some of the best text-to-speech software options available, and this just may be my most requested topic as we'll discuss what text-to-speech software I use on this channel. Stay tuned. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start with one of the things you really want to know. Can you monetize a text-to-speech YouTube channel? There are so many videos that tell you that you can't. That's because people who are saying that tried very poor quality text-to-speech software that made it sound like their vacuum cleaner was recording videos. You need to use very high quality text-to-speech software to be able to monetize. I stand as proof that you can monetize text-to-speech on YouTube. I started using text-to-speech very early on this channel, and I was admitted into the YouTube Partner Program in September 2022. Stay tuned to find out what I use. Let's review Descript and Voiceover Labs individually and provide a brief description of what each app entails. Descript will be the first app we'll look at. So what exactly is Descript? Descript is a collaborative audio and video editor with transcription, screen recording, publishing, complete multi-track editing, and even AI tools. The editing tool, which is a podcaster's holy grail, allows users to record, edit, and mix audio and transcribe it. Now, you might be wondering why I'm talking about a podcasting tool during a video that's supposed to be about text-to-speech software. Again, stay tuned and pay attention, because this is going to blow your mind. Descript provides an online web-based solution, a desktop application, remote recording, filler word removal, and overdub for the editing feature. The screen recording feature instantly transcribes audio, and Descript provides a web link that allows collaborators to comment and edit. The overdub feature enables users to create a text-to-speech model of their voice, which can then be published as audiograms for various purposes, including creating YouTube videos. Descript's interactive tutorial project, which includes a series of quick lessons to help users get the most out of the collaborative editor, distinguishes it from many other podcast apps. This includes audio and video editing tutorials, screen recordings, and meeting note transcription. To get started with Descript, users must first download the software and create an account. Following the sign-up process, there is a brief survey to determine how the platform will be used. Ctrl+Shift+2 is the shortcut for starting and stopping the screen recording tool. It not only captures video from the desktop, but also from webcams. The screen recorder appears in its window, separate from the main Descript editing app. Let's look at the overdubbing and text-to-speech tool now. Descript recently released Overdub 3.0 voice cloning technology, which provides high-quality voiceovers for quick podcasts and screen recording corrections by simply typing in the correction. This fundamentally alters how people capture content. Overdub custom voices are only available to those with a Descript Pro or Enterprise account. Because uploading existing recordings to train your overdub voice necessitates manual voice identity verification. This is the case. Pro users must read Descript's training script for voice identity verification to ensure that the voice created belongs to the user. Overdubbing is listening to a previously recorded passage and recording new audio over the top, which makes mixing tracking much smoother. It is similar to multi-tracking features found in some ways in audio editing software such as Adobe Audition. To qualify for overdub training, Descript Pro users must record a consent statement and an overdub main training script for 10 minutes at least. This is required to pass the voice verification process, so don't share your Pro or Enterprise account with friends and family. It won't work. Let's take a look at the Descript's pricing. At $15 per month, the company's creator plan grants access to unlimited projects, screen recording, 10 hours of transcription per month, watermark-free video export, and 9 text-to-speech voices, including 4 female and 5 male voices. For those who need more than an essential editor tool, Descript's Pro plan costs $30 per month and includes everything the creator plan does while increasing the transcription limit to 30 hours per month. This strategy also enables the overdub feature. Use my link in the description to try Descript for yourself for free. There is one more plan, Enterprise, which includes everything in the other plans as well as onboarding and training, invoicing, single sign-on, SSO, and a security review feature. Enterprise customers, students, educators, and non-profit organizations can also take advantage of Descript's discounted rates. You can also get a 20% discount by opting to pay annually. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you. What if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube? Then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you've had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Let's take a look at Well-Said Labs now. Well-Said Labs is a well-known text-to-speech (TTS) platform. It saves businesses much time with fast word processing by utilizing advanced features. It also aids in comprehending written words for people with disabilities such as dyslexia or visual impairments. Well-Said Labs is a text-to-speech platform that generates voiceovers using deep learning. The software generates spoken content using AI to assist people in comprehending text. You can also personalize their voice avatars to improve the usability and engagement of your digital experience. Who is this app primarily intended for? Well-Said Labs is designed for a wide range of people. It can be helpful to a variety of professionals including e-learning experts, marketing specialists, HR departments, and internal training staff, in addition to people with communication disorders. Well-Said Studio is the company that owns Well-Said Labs. This organization provides text-to-speech algorithms for personal use, but is also popular among businesses. It satisfies all regulatory and compliance requirements by storing data on secure servers to prevent customer data from leaking. Whether you use Well-Said for personal or business purposes, you get a simple interface and high-quality API endpoints that integrate with various other tools. Well-Said Labs provides speech synthesis while allowing you to integrate the software with your existing production tools. It works well with most platforms and can meet the needs of both large and small businesses. As a result, you can upgrade or scale your infrastructure to maintain compliance while improving the customer experience. The software also supports several extensions. For example, you can use Grammarly to avoid pronouncing errors before recording your clips. Well-Said Labs has the advantage of being simple to use. It's a cloud-based solution that generates audio clips, similar to Amazon Poly. After signing in with your credentials, you'll need to scroll through your library and read the voice descriptions. When you found the right avatar, click on it and copy your text into the software. You can also use your keyboard to enter text. Remember that you can only enter a certain number of characters. If you exceed the 1,000 character limit, your text will be highlighted in red. To make your clips, you'll need to delete some content. You can get around this limitation if you're creative with how you structure your paragraphs. If everything checks out, click the Listen button to save your file. If you created multiple clips, you can now rename or reorder them. You can also use the text icon to rework some of your scripts on the platform. Finally, the software lets you download MP3 files whenever they're ready for import into sound editors. If you need assistance using these features, consult the website tutorials. This TTS software offers excellent value for money. It provides you with cutting-edge technology and an easy-to-use interface. However, if you are a casual user, it may not be worthwhile. It is geared more toward large enterprises with large teams. So what are some of Well-Said Labs' most valuable features? Well-Said Labs is a complete text-to-speech program. Here are a few of the most useful features: sorting clips based on voice, altering voices, rendering by sentence, playing one sentence at a time to enhance presentations, e-learning or audiobooks, and quotation marks to emphasize specific words. So, how does the pricing look? There are several pricing options for this text-to-speech technology. You can use the free trial if you want to test the software before purchasing it. It will help you understand how voiceover scripts work. Furthermore, you learn about Well-Said algorithms and how they can benefit your business, whether you run an enterprise or a startup. If you want to add human-like voiceovers to your podcasts or YouTube videos but the standard plans aren't cutting it, Well-Said offers custom plans. Each allows you to add more team projects, members, creative training, kickoff, and volume licensing. Another advantage of custom plans is that they include an account manager. They gather feedback and make necessary changes to ensure the system meets your needs. To determine the price, you must contact Well-Said customer service. The free version is only available for 7 days. During this time, the platform allows you to complete a project with intuitive workflow features and gain access to 50 audio clips and all voice avatars. When your trial period expires, you can select one of the following plans. Maker, $49 per month, includes 5 projects, 4 AI voices, 250 downloads, 1,000 characters per clip, unlimited retakes, and commercial use. Creative, $99 per month, includes 50 projects, 49 AI voices, 750 downloads, 1,000 characters per clip, unlimited retakes, commercial use, and live chat support. Producer, $199 per month, everything listed above plus 2,500 downloads. After looking at each software separately, I'm sure you have a good idea of what each software has to offer. Let's compare the two programs and see which one is superior. When we look at Descript, we can see that it supports 3 platforms: Windows, Mac, and SaaS, whereas WellSay Labs only supports SaaS. When we look at the audience in both apps, we notice that Descript is better for individuals who want to transcribe audio automatically. In contrast, subscriptions in WellSay Lab are only available for solo producers and teams. When we look at the pricing, we can see that Descript's pricing is significantly lower than the price of WellSay Lab. Descript charges $15 per user per month, whereas WellSay Labs starts at $49 per month once the free trial expires. Finally, when it comes to training, we found that Descript is superior to WellSay Lab. Descript provides documentation training, webinars, and live online classes, whereas WellSay Lab does not. As a matter of full disclosure, I use WellSay Labs to create the voiceovers you hear on this channel. The voice I'm using is a part of WellSay Labs' creative package and costs $99 per month. However, since discovering Descript, I've found the quality of voices to be just as good as WellSay Labs at a fraction of the cost. We found WellSay Labs is easier to use and administer when comparing the two solutions. However, we found Descript to be easier to work with overall. Finally, we found the products to be equally simple to set up. While I find that WellSay Studio meets our company's needs better than Descript, Descript is the better value. When comparing the quality of ongoing product support, we concluded that Descript is the superior choice. In this case, we can conclude that Descript is the best text-to-speech software for any YouTuber. It makes no difference whether you have a large or small channel. If you're starting on YouTube, this software will help you create content quickly and easily. You can begin using Descript right away for free with our link in the description. We'd like to hear your thoughts on the matter. Which of the two text-to-speech programs do you believe is the best? Do you agree that Descript is the better software, or do you prefer WellSay Labs? Is there another text-to-speech product I should review? Comment below and tell us which text-to-speech software you believe is superior. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I selected just for you. Now you have options on what software to use to make your faceless cash cow videos. But that doesn't help you if you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know which niches can help you make $10,000 or more per month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.